Alright, YouTube. Well, I'm here today to show you that my PS3 is messed up. I believe it's the Blu-ray drive. One is just dead. And here I'll be trying 3 games. Black Ops, Saints Row, and Mortal Kombat. So we're gonna try Black Ops first. And the reason I'm doing these 3 games is to show you that none of these games are messed up. So here's Black Ops. Let's get a close up on this. You'll hear something, I guess. I don't know. But just hear that ticking noise. And it's gonna eject. Well, I don't know. I contacted Sony, asked them a few questions about this. And, well, there's the eject. Well, I'll try to edit this, but I contacted Sony and told them about this issue. And they told me a few solutions. I tried them out. They didn't work, so they want me to send it over there. But, I mean, it's too much money. Can't do that. So here's Saints Row. Alright. Let's try this. Let's hear it. And I don't know if you can hear the ticking noise, but it's really pissing me off here. It's just pissing me off. Like, it messed up like a few weeks before MW3. They got me really pissed because I was looking forward to that. So, yeah. So, I don't know. I was thinking about getting a new PS3, so, but I'm just getting a Blu-ray drive replaced because, you know, it's too much for a new PS3, and nothing's wrong with this one, really, just the Blu-ray. So, here's more to come back. I'll try this for you. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Let's get a close up on this. Yeah, but yeah, I should be getting it fixed this December. Hopefully I go somewhere to get a Blu-ray, and as you can hear, it just made that noise again. And I have a few other games, but as you can see, the solution is not the game, it's Blu-ray. So, yeah, contact me if you know any solutions, so I can fix this guy. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.